Do you want free BTC? Download CryptoPop right now so after installing the app, all you just have to do is open up the app and start playing. You keep playing and playing, all you just have to do is match the similar symbols to each other. You have to keep playing till the GUI enters 100. Once it enters 100, you can just go back to the dashboard and enter. So after playing the game for a little while, come back to the dashboard, click on wallet. So if you don't have a Coinbase wallet, just create a new Coinbase wallet. So but if you have, you can just put the one you have up there. You can see my own. So after putting it, then come down. But you must have up to 100 gray in order to claim withdraw. So once you have 100 gray, you just have to come down here. You can see the claim button. Click on the claim button. Yeah, click on it. You can see 100 gray. If you have up to 100 gray, just click on the claim button. It's pretty easy. After clicking on the claim button, you have to wait for a little bit. Then after waiting for some minutes, go to your email address and search for notifications from Coinbase. Search for notifications from Coinbase because you're gonna receive it. As you can see, I just received a payment notification from Coinbase. It says Vuta Limited just sent you 0.0002 Ethereum. You can see that this app is really legit, and for showing you such a legit app, you guys should reward me by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and telling everyone about me. Thanks for watching.